Hey team, just wanted to make a quick video this morning to talk to you guys about Google Forms. A lot of you are getting ready to sign up some of your brand new coaches. Everybody's starting to expand their teams, and that's super exciting. For many of you that are doing that right now, I've sent you a video on the Get Started Right process. And as many of you know, the first step is that new coach questionnaire. Now, I have that document that you can send through an email, but I prefer to do Google Forms because it goes straight into an Excel spreadsheet for me, and it makes things so much easier. It's just all right there. I can see what everybody's answers are right off the bat by just logging into my computer. The people don't have to sit down and print it off and write on it and then send it back to me. They can just do it straight from the internet, and it makes it so much easier. Now, as well as the Get Started Right process, I do this with a lot of different things, like when I run an ad, different things like that, just so that way I can get emails and stuff like that a lot easier. Google Forms will become your best friend. So I wanted to do a quick tutorial. It's not going to take very long at all to kind of show you exactly how to do it to make your life a lot easier. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys. I'm going to get started right now. So right off the bat, you should be seeing this. So Google, I literally Google Forms. Click on the first thing you see, and this should pop up. I use Google Docs and Sheets and Slide. I use this whole thing. If you guys do not have Word or something on your computer, please start using this. This is great. But first, Google Forms. So go to Google Forms. And you're going to notice that I have a couple already in here. Like I said, the 2016 goals that the team did, just learning a little more about what we do, sweating for the wedding, whatever. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down to this corner, that little plus sign right here, and you're going to create a new form. It's going to look like this. So for instance, just say you are doing your own first. We're going to do the new coach questionnaire. So new coach questionnaire. I don't know how to spell. Is that how you spell this? Yeah. Okay. So then you're going to type in your title of your form right here. So that's what's going to be at the top. Here, you're going to talk a little bit about what you're trying to do here. So for me, for instance, I would be like, hi, welcome to Team Simply Beautiful. I'm excited to get you started off on your journey and things like that. You guys can look at mine for reference if you want to do that. But essentially right here is you're telling them what they're filling out. So I'll be like, hey, welcome to Team Simply Beautiful. This is the first step in the Get Started Right process. This is more for my benefit than for yours. Please fill this out. And once you get this back to me, then we will move on to the next step. So that's what the description is there. Here, it's so simple, guys. All you need to do is put in your questions here. So for instance, name, right? That's what you want first. You want to see whose name this is. So then you have the option of doing text. So if somebody wants, they're going to be typing in their name there. You can do paragraph text, which will give them a little bit of a longer answer. Multiple choice, checkboxes, choose from a list, scale, grid, date, time, whatever. So for name, you're obviously just going to be using text. Done. Now add another item. Let's see here. We'll say email. So another text. And then the next thing you want to know maybe is what has you interested in the coaching opportunity, right? So then that would be, let's see, a paragraph. So it's going to be a little bit longer. Maybe some of your biggest concerns. Again, you guys can look at my new coach questionnaire to see how you would word these, but then I do like multiple choice and it'd be like failure, not making it. I'm just trying to think of different things. Annoying people, and then that way it would pop up as multiple choice. So if you guys kind of see what I'm doing here, again, take a look at mine if you want to do that. And you can just continue to add items as you go. Now, what you're going to do from here is you're going to make it look pretty. So go up to the top where it says change theme. This is going to pop up. This is what your form looks like right now, right? This is what we just did. You have all these options on the side. So say you want to use this one, for instance. So it changed to this. You can customize this. You can make it more of your own. So you can change the header image. If you want to upload something of your own, you can do that. You can use some of the ones that they have here. So you can do upload here. If I wanted to make mine St. Patrick's Day, I'd put that there. Again, the description, you can change the the fonts. I mean, make it as you can see what I mean. You guys can do whatever you want, and just kind of remaking it the way that you want it. So if I wanted the top green, like St. Patrick's Day, and then I also wanted it to be this font, I would change it that way. So obviously you guys can see how I do that. See here. All right. So I did that. It's saved. That's the way it's going to look. So I'm going to say view live form to kind of just see what my form looks like. So when I give somebody that link, there it is. That's what it's going to look like. Once they hit submit, it's going to go to your email address. Okay. That's where it's going to go. Or for me, for instance, I like to set it up in a Google Excel sheet. So here, the way to do that is to go to responses, change response, or it's for yours, it might not say this, but mine says change response destination. For me, I picked spreadsheet. Okay. So when I pick spreadsheet, it'll say new coach questionnaire responses, create, etc. That's where it's going to go. Let me show you where that is. So if I went into my sheets, go to Google Sheets, it's going to create one just like this. It already created it because I just made it. So this is where it's all going to pop up. See, name, email. So for instance, for our team, when somebody fills out that form, it goes into this one, new coach questionnaire. So when people fill out mine, this is where they all go. So I can see what has them interested in the coaching opportunity, what has them most excited, their biggest concerns, and everything's right here. So if I ever need to refer back to things, I can see it. And plus, this is great for your Get Started Right call. So you can go over these. Every time, if you guys remember when I went over the Get Started Right call with you, I remember sitting down and going through each and every single one of these things, seeing where your head was at and answering any questions that you might have. So how to share it with the people. Go back to new coach question, go back to your form. All you gotta do is press send form. There it is. There's the link to it. So if you copy that, that's all you need to do. And you send it to your person. What I like to do, and this is something, if you're like posting it on a post or something for an ad, I go to bit.ly.com. If I can type, bit.ly.com. And if you go here, you can just paste your link in there, and it's just going to make it way shorter. It automatically does it. You copy that and you send it to people. So that's it. That's how you make your form. And honestly, like I said, it makes it so much easier for you guys, for you to just log on, send these people the form, especially for new coaches. They fill it out. It's already there. The moment you get that back, you can review the answers, and then you can move on to step 2 and the Get Started Right process. I hope that helps, guys, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. See ya.